Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to Claude in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on airtable.com. Afterwards, click on the option of sign up for free on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, you need to provide your work email, or you can also continue with the help of your Google account or Apple ID, or you can also use the single sign in option. So when you basically sign up here and get access to your dashboard, you just have to open a new tab and search for Claude AI. Now over here, you just have to log in into your Claude AI account if you haven't already. Then you will be shown this type of dashboard over here. So in order to connect Airtable with it, simply click on the option of customize tab here in the left hand side and click on the option of connect your apps. Now over here, you just have to simply use this particular search bar, and here in the search bar you need to search for Airtable. So over here you can also filter it out or sort it out by these particular filters that are given over here. So when you search for Airtable, if you are able to find it here in this list, as you can see, it is currently available. So click on the option of plus icon right next to it. Then if you already have signed up, you will be shown the allow, authenticate or approve option. So you just have to click on that and you will be able to easily connect it. So that's why I asked you to first of all either sign up or log in into your account so that the authentication would be easy for you. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.